In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expressvpn on a Mac. This is the best Expressvpn Mac tutorial for 2025, designed to provide you with all the information you need in under 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get you set up with this premier VPN service. To start, we need to head over to the Expressvpn website. You can easily find it by entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Expressvpn is renowned for its speed and privacy protection, making it an excellent choice for your Mac. Once you're on their homepage, look for the My Account section, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on My Account will redirect you to a new page where you can sign in to your existing account. If you don't already have an account, now's the perfect time to create one. Just follow their prompts for setting up a new account, and make sure to note down your login credentials for future use. After you've successfully signed in, the next step is accessing your Expressvpn dashboard. This is where all your account information is consolidated. The dashboard is user-friendly and allows quick access to all the features you might need to get started with Expressvpn. As you're browsing your dashboard, you'll want to click on the Devices section. This crucial step lets you manage which devices you want to be protected by Expressvpn. Given we're setting up the VPN on your Mac, this next part is important. Within the Devices section, locate the option for macOS and click on it. Expressvpn will direct you to the Download section and show you how to install their application on your Mac. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the app to your computer. It's usually a straightforward process. Just download the package, open it, and follow any setup prompts that appear on screen. Once you've installed the application, open it up. You'll be greeted with a straightforward interface designed to make connecting to a VPN as simple as clicking a button. Enter your login details if prompted, and choose a server location. Expressvpn uses smart server algorithms to connect you to the fastest available server, but you can always switch to a different location if needed. And there you have it. You're now equipped with Expressvpn on your Mac, ensuring your internet activity is encrypted and your browsing experience is secure. Remember, using a VPN is a smart way to protect your privacy online and bypass geo-restrictions effortlessly. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit this video or consult Expressvpn's support resources. Happy browsing!